Google is the king of search engines. And people are consulting Google on a daily basis when they are looking for businesses on the local search. And guess what they tend to look for? Customer reviews. That's right. Google reviews are an important part of the customer experience for local businesses. They also help potential customers decide if this is the right place to spend their money and time. That means that responding to your online reviews can make all of the difference in maintaining customer loyalty as well. Responding to your reviews on any review site such as Yelp, TripAdvisor, social media, but especially on Google My Business is a vital part of the reputation management strategy. And replying to customer feedback can be a bit challenging sometimes. That's why we created this video. Our goal is to help you avoid making mistakes that could damage your reputation with unhappy customers. So, stay until the end of this video to learn the essentials that will make responding easy and effective. Why respond to Google reviews? Many people form their first impression of a business on the internet based on its review page, paying great attention to the if and to the way they respond. Responding to reviews shows dedication in providing customer service, which will help boost reputation online as well as offline and land new prospects into your store. It will work wonders for your online reputation. Customers have expectations that their voice will be heard from the business owner or someone who's in charge. You already know that people often use search engines to find big and small businesses. And the most favored business names are ranked higher on the SERP and Google Maps. This is because Google relies on factors like trustworthiness and quality of service in order to provide reliable results for customers' queries, so it makes sense that these same things would help your business with local SEO efforts and rank higher as well. How to respond to Google reviews from desktop. Before we go deeper into the technical part, I recommend you to turn on the notifications so you'll be notified every time someone leaves you a review. You can respond to Google reviews following these steps. 1. Log in to your Google business profile. You can use business.google.com to navigate to your business listing. 2. Go to the Reviews tab on the menu of your left-hand side. 3. Find the business review you want to respond to. 4. Click Reply. 5. Write your review response and click Post Reply. That's it. How to respond to Google reviews from your mobile phone. Many times you'll be on the go and responding to reviews can be put aside for a little bit. And then you'll completely forget about it. To avoid causing negative experiences for your customers, you can respond from your mobile device. And here's how. 1. Log in to your Google My Business account. You can use Google My Business app. 2. Scroll down to the reviews section on the homepage and click Manage Reviews. 3. Find the review you want to respond to. 4. Click Reply. 5. Write your response and click Post Reply. Now, your customer will get the notification that you've responded to their review. How to respond to positive reviews. This is the most exciting moment, when you receive positive feedback for your work. When customers are given a great experience, they tend not only to trust the business but also to recommend it on social media. You want to keep your happy customers around, don't you? So, let's talk about ways of making sure those satisfied clients feel noticed by responding in kind when they say something nice. 1. Personalize your response. It's important to keep responses personal. You can do this by simply mentioning customer names, letting them know their feedback is being taken seriously and that you are not just pasting what they have written but truly care about hearing it. 2. Respond in a timely manner. It is important to be responsive when a customer gives feedback about your company. It will show them that you care and it'll make their experience much better. Don't take too long with the response. 3. Follow the reviewer's vibe. You need to continue the enthusiasm your customer had for their product. Keep that same level of excitement going. If they elaborate their experience, don't just keep it short and sweet, vibe with that enthusiasm. How to respond to negative reviews. No one likes bad reviews, but you'll get some negative feedback. But that's not the end of the world. If you know how to manage negative reviews, you can pull a good experience after all. That's why responding to negative Google reviews should be on the priority list of your review management. Here's how you should respond. 1. Keep calm. Don't take it personally. Try to understand why the bad thing happened and why your customer is disappointed, so you can make things right. 2. Personalize it. Personalization is very important when it comes to negative review responses. It will let your customer know that behind your business stands a real person and not just a robot that doesn't care. 3. Apologize and sympathize. Take responsibility for what happened. Let your customers know that you're sorry for their bad experience and you understand why they feel the way they do. 4. Try to make things right. Apologizing without changing your behavior is meaningless, remember? So offer to make things right. Ask the person who has given you feedback what can be done in order for them to feel better, and let's go from there. Ask for their phone number or other contact information and try to solve the issue offline. Here is an example of how you can respond to a negative review. In this example, the customer has complained how he was turned away by your staff. You can respond by saying, "Thanks for the feedback, customer name. I'm sorry to hear about your experience and we'll take a look into this. We normally don't turn people away, so it sounds like you might have been turned away by mistake or under unusual circumstances. Please email me at email address with more details and we'll investigate what happened and make sure that doesn't happen again in the future." To deal with fake reviews. Sometimes, businesses can face some suspicious reviews online. No matter if they are positive or negative, fake reviews can seriously hurt your brand reputation. Even though they are hard to notice, there are several indicators that often give them out. Usually, they are extremely negative or extremely positive. It lacks detail. They have spotty review history. They use the same phrases in many reviews. Google doesn't know who your real customers are and it's very hard to prove someone's identity. You can flag that review, which will take you through a process of filling in information. After that, Google observes but also considers whether or not the comment violated their policies, proving beyond doubt why this particular statement should be removed from public view. Once it's decided, you'll be notified. In the meantime, you can respond to the fake Google review and slightly letting the fake reviewer know that you're aware of the situation. You can use this template. "Hi, James, we take these matters very seriously. Unfortunately, we have no record or recollection of your experience with us, nor can we verify anything about your identity from your name in our records. If you have done business with us, we would like to investigate this issue further. Please contact manager's name immediately at email, phone number, so that we can resolve this issue." In the end, the must-do thing is to respond to both types of reviews and keep the image of a customer-oriented business that cares for more than money. If you are struggling to manage reviews for your business, we can help you get honest reviews. That's all for now. Subscribe to our channel and get notifications. See you in the next video.